Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Geomatics video session 76. So in today's video, let's quickly jump to what we left previously, okay? Which is we were doing on this part, right? On the recipe side. Let me open my recipe very quickly. It's I think session 11, yeah. So here we were doing this part and there was some error, okay? So let's continue from there because it would have taken time. So I thought let's cover in the next video. Anyhow, as you must be remembering, we have done up till here, right? Okay. So now let's check what's the issue, why it was not working out. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, okay, let me go to this custom formula. Fine. And I will just paste this. Okay. And let me go for effective opportunity age. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. I think we already created effective opportunity. I'm really sorry about that. But yeah, I think over here, right? Now we have seen that that round was not working off. When I was putting that round, somehow it was not working off. So I left as it is. Okay. Now, firstly, what I will do is, see, this is the number, right? Okay. So this is already there for me, not an issue. See, firstly, I will check whether this round is working itself or not. Fine. So w- let's do one thing here. I have written two units. No. So now let me just give round over here. Okay. Round 1 minute. I'm sorry. Okay, so here this is two units time. Let me give round over here. Okay, and after giving round, let me put a 0. Okay, so round you already understood, like it just converts to those decimal places, which is fine. Okay, now if I click on apply, okay, so it's working out, which is fine. Now see, this round part is fine, which is giving proper numbers, but what about this one? How this we can resolve it? Okay, so see this one, what we have done, we have made one slight mistake actually about this date diff, right? So I've just written date diff now and this, okay, which is giving me in terms of this date diff is giving me, you know, like, I mean, let's check over here. For example, here, if you see, this was the date diff, okay, and it's giving me in terms of the number of days over here, okay. Now, the problem over here is, now this one, now and here, it's giving me quite a huge value if you see, okay. So let's check this one first. Where is this effective age? Yeah, effective opportunity age. Yeah, for this effective opportunity age, I mean, when I'm calculating from now to create a date, okay, it's giving me a huge calculation, as you can see. Okay, so ideally, here I've written date if not created date. Here I've written, hmm, now this is the whole syntax of effective opportunity age, but the problem is here I should give close date and now, isn't it? So it should be and date if now created date. Okay, let me check here. So this is close date minus created date. Okay, and I should write close date minus created date. Okay, I have written date if now. I don't know why I have written that. Okay, so it should be close date and here also should be close date. Okay, so let me make those changes. Okay, so let me go over here. Fine, and let me write here date if of close date. Okay, so this should be. Now, one thing to notice is this is close date minus created date. Okay. So here, let me just write close date and created date. Then here again, it will be not now, but close date. Okay. Right, close date. And here again, it will be close date only. Okay, now let me click on apply. So this is the thing. Now let's check for opportunity age once what we did for opportunity age. Okay, here this is for opportunity age, right? This is for opportunity age, and let's check what values we are getting for opportunity age, by the way. Okay, this is my opportunity age. This is coming perfectly. So date diff, close date, comma, created date. Okay, and it is coming perfectly as well. Okay, so let's check what's the problem with effective opportunity age. For opportunity age, this is my opportunity age. I'm not able to find it. I'm showing a difference actually. Here, if this will be double up. Now let's check this. But why I'm not getting opportunity age? This is a difference. Okay, that's very strange. I'm not getting the opportunity age. Let me check once from here. We have marked this as opportunity age. Okay, and this is opportunity age. Here is the opportunity age. The opportunity age 2154 is showing correctly and showing 72, which is fine. But in effective opportunity age, somehow this is not coming up properly, I feel. Okay, so let's check what's the issue over here. Fine. So what I'm going to do is for this effective opportunity age, which I calculated, let me check what is, if I give this particular value, if it comes correctly or not. Okay, 154. There's some issue with this part, I feel. Okay, there is some issue with this now. So here actually I'm getting in terms of seconds. Okay, and the seconds, if we know it properly, then 1 day is equal to 86400 seconds, which I have done as well over here. Okay, 86400, and ideally it should give me in terms of days, right? 86400, because here I'm calculating this, so divided by 8640, it should have given me in terms of day, but somehow I guess it's not happening. It's not happening, I feel, because here also I've given 8640 by 0. Somehow the division is not happening, it seems. Give me a moment. It's now minus 2 limits created date. Mhm. Okay, we will probably look into this issue, like why it's not appearing properly. Fine, because ideally it should have, because if I remove this part, okay, fine. Okay guys, actually right now it got loaded. So here if you see, I'm dividing this created by 8640, unfortunately. Okay, that's why this error is coming up. So let's actually try to resolve this right now. So if I put a bracket over here, right, because what is happening, this 8640 I'm dividing by created date. Okay, so I ideally need to put one bracket over here, and then I need to click on apply. Then it will give the proper day, if you see. Okay, that's how it's giving me the property. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me undo editing. Okay, let me undo whatever I have done till now. And let's get back to that formula which we were using. Yeah, effective opportunity age, which is this one, right? Yeah, this effective opportunity is now fine. What I'm going to do is, there's just slight mistake I made here. It should be one more braces. Okay, one more brace will be here, and here again it will be one more brace. Okay, and after this I have to divide by 86. So now let me click on apply. Okay, now effective opportunities makes sense. Okay, it will mean in terms of number of days. Okay, so yeah, I think this is one thing we were having some issue which we finally resolved. And be very careful with what you're dividing. Okay, so I hope you understood the mistake. The problem here was this, that the expression which I was putting, right? This expression which I was putting, this part is taken into consideration. So we all know there's a bottommost rule which we follow, right? Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, right? So here, first of all, it was dividing with the created date, okay? And that's when it was updating. That's why I was giving that huge value. So right now, yeah, I mean, that this bracket was not there. So what I did, I just put this extra braces here. And once this part is calculated, right? So this is the bracket of part. This is the complete bracket. So this is the starting bracket and this is the ending bracket. This complete operation, when it got performed, then I'm dividing by 640. Okay. And that's why it was giving me in huge numbers. Fine. That's the reason. Okay. Other than this, I think it's completed. It worked out. Okay. And yeah, there's a few more portions related to dates. This was quite a tough one. Okay, but we can take a breather right now. Fine. And I think others I have completed already. So this opportunity age is also working fine. Okay, this is fine. Only for this one, this closed it and all I was not taking previously, which I've taken right now. So yeah, this part is done, and I will just save this. And yeah, please do like, share, and subscribe, and we will continue with a few more related to dates maybe. Okay, thank you.